Why choose Green City Heating? For the same reason I choose Lennox products.
Heating and cooling companies can buy any competitor's products from a distributor, but to get superior Lennox products, they have to meet the Lennox quality dealer standards. And it doesn't stop there. Lennox dealers are continually trained and tested to ensure the Lennox code of quality.
Green City Heating and Lennox have the same goal, the ultimate comfort for your home. Call Green City Heating today.
Lennox, innovation never felt so good.